Learning Module 2 focuses on the techniques used to analyze and reconstruct arguments. Our major goal is to be able to reconstruct an argument using the principles of faithfulness and charity. We'll apply these techniques to both simple and extended arguments. Additionally, we'll understand the role that missing premises, so-called enthymemes, and missing conclusions play in argumentation. Finally, we'll distinguish between two fundamentally different types of inference, namely deduction and induction. As always, we need to be clear about our learning goals and outcomes. After completing this unit, you should be able to do the following. First, employ the techniques of faithfulness and charity in reconstructing arguments. Second, make explicit any missing premises or conclusions that an argument contains. Third, reconstruct an argument using standard argument reconstruction format. Fourth, recognize enthymemes. And fifth, distinguish between deduction and induction and provide examples of both. And finally, recognize evaluative arguments and missing evaluative premises. I'd like to close with a reminder of how important the discussion board is for building our learning community. After you post your initial thread, read what others have written and reply substantively to 2, 3, or even more of your peers. Try to apply the concepts that you've acquired from reading the text and watching the video lectures. And if you have constructive advice or a compliment to offer, please include them in your replies to others. Also, if you find that your views have evolved over the course of the forum, consider submitting an additional thread. I greatly admire students who have the intellectual maturity to change their minds after they have weighed what others have written. If you do these things, you'll be helping to foster what matters most in this course, the development of a vibrant learning community. Well, that's it. Let's get busy.